Hey, what's going on everybody? Chris here, and in this video we're going to discuss something practical. How to film your Kajabi online course for free. Yes, you heard that right. You won't need a big studio and fancy equipment. All you need is your passion for sharing your expertise with the online world and the tips in this video, and you're good to go. Sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? But before we get started, a quick heads up. If you're new to Kajabi or thinking about switching to it, check out the special affiliate link below this video. You'll get a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features and it's easy to get lost. And in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who honestly wouldn't want that? Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. With that in mind, let's get started, shall we? So most of you must be really excited about sharing your knowledge with the world, but some factors are stopping you from doing so. You must be worried about the complexities of filming your online course. Well, I can't blame you, as the technical side of things can be overwhelming at times. Let's not forget about the cost. Although there may be initial costs associated with running an online course business, you don't want to break the bank on expensive equipment and renting out large studios for filming. Fear not, my fellow content makers. In this video, I will show you 2 simple and free ways to shoot your online course like a professional. The first and easiest way to film your online course is with your trusty smartphone. Yes, you don't have to look any further. The answer to your problem is just lying inside of your pocket, or might even be holding onto it right now while watching this video. As you may already know, mobile phones these days are equipped with amazing cameras. Thanks to technology, we can now shoot high-quality photos and videos with our phone's camera. It doesn't matter if you own an iPhone or an Android. As long as your phone has a great camera and great quality, you can start filming without spending a dime. But wait, before you begin, you might want to listen to my tips first. If you're going to film an online course that you're going to upload to Kajabi, you should put your phone in landscape mode. This way we can avoid the black borders on the side of the videos upon upload. Also, set your phone to airplane mode to avoid being distracted by incoming calls or text. And of course, stability is essential. A wobbly video is a big no-no, and it can make your online course appear unprofessional. Investing in a tripod or a phone holder sounds like a great idea, but since we're all about making the method of this cost-free, or at least at a low cost, you might need to get creative by putting your phone up against something sturdy. For instance, you can use your desk lamp or maybe a stack of books. Just make sure it's secured in its spot before hitting the record button. Another thing you should consider is the lighting, and if you don't know it yet, natural lighting is your best friend when filming videos. To take advantage of natural light, you might position yourself near a window. The natural light can give you that soft and flattering glow on video, but remember not to position yourself or the subject of your film in direct sunlight, as it can result in very harsh shadows. If natural lighting is not possible, no worries. You can still get good results with artificial lighting. Invest in an LED panel or a ring light if necessary, like I have here. These artificial lights can help you achieve an illumination of your scene. Once your lighting is all set, make sure to clean your phone's lens. A smudge on your camera can ruin a perfect shot, so you may want to grab a piece of soft cloth and give the lens a quick wipe. And now let's talk about framing. This is a very important factor, as you want your subject to be the focal point of your video. If you're going to film yourself talking, like I am, it's recommended that you position yourself slightly off-center to create a visual interest. If you're trying to film an object, it would be best if it's in focus and at the center of the shot. As for the audio, I think the built-in microphones on smartphones these days are already good enough. Just make sure you speak clearly and that you film in a quiet room. If you're planning to film outdoors or somewhere noisy, you may want to consider using a lavalier microphone, or more commonly known as a lapel mic. With a lapel mic, you can make sure that the online course you upload on Kajabi has crisp and clear audio. It would also be very helpful if you experimented with different settings on your phone's camera. I can't speak for all smartphones, as I know each has its own unique camera feature. Some allow you to manually control the brightness, while others can blur the background to focus on the subject. Now let's move on to the second method, which is creating slides. This method is perfect for content creators who are camera shy or whose content would benefit from graphics. Fortunately, there are lots of slideshow presentation makers available on the internet, but some of my personal favorites are PowerPoint, Google Slides, Keynote, and Canva. Now, let's discuss each to know which one will fit your needs. And of course, your current equipment, as some of this software can only work on certain devices. First up, we have Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a classic option with various features. It offers an easy-to-use interface and allows you to build professional-looking presentations for your Kajabi online course. This tool allows you to experiment with various animations and layouts to generate compelling content for your audience. The presenter view is also an excellent tool that can help you have a flawless presentation experience. The second option on our list is Google Slides, which is ideal for individuals looking for accessibility and collaboration. You see, this presentation software emphasizes on teamwork. This means that if you're creating an online course with a partner, you can make changes to the presentation in real time, no matter where you're at. For iOS and Mac users, the best platform is Keynote. Aside from providing you with seamless integration across your Apple devices, it also has beautiful visuals. You can add photos, audio, and videos to your presentation to make it visually appealing to your audience. That would be captivating content right there. And the last one on your list is Canva. I guess most of you are already familiar with this platform. This is perfect for content creators who like to be extra creative with their slide presentations. I think this one is my favorite on the list because, like Kajabi, it also has a drag and drop feature. And of course, let's not forget about its huge library of templates that would allow you to come up with eye-catching presentations in a matter of minutes. If you want to add flair to your presentations, Canva is the best option. It includes everything you need to make your presentation stand out, including images, icons, elements, and templates. So there you have it. You're ready to construct an online course and upload it to Kajabi. Still not sure what software to use? You can always experiment with each to find the one that will elevate your online course to the next level. You can even experiment with tools not covered in this video, whatever helps you feel most at ease when creating content. Once your online course is ready, you can log into Kajabi and upload your course. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a free trial. Like I said, if you go through Kajabi's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll get a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. You will also receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template and the Finance Hub. That's all, fellow creators. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or valuable insights to share about Kajabi, please share them in the comments section below. Happy creating, and I'll see you on the inside.